I have a problem with my apartment. How do I report a repair issue to the landlord?
You should report the issue to the landlord or property manager as soon as possible. You can do this by phone, email, or in writing. Make sure to provide a detailed description of the problem and its location in the apartment.
What if the landlord doesn't respond or doesn't fix the problem?
If the landlord doesn't respond or doesn't fix the problem, you should follow up with them in writing and keep a record of all communication. If the issue is not resolved, you may need to contact a lawyer or a tenants' rights organization for assistance.
That sounds like a lot of work. Is it really necessary?
Yes, it is necessary. As a tenant, you have the right to a safe and habitable living environment. If the landlord fails to provide this, you may have legal recourse. It's important to document everything and follow the proper procedures to protect yourself.
Okay, I understand. Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. Remember, reporting repair issues promptly is not only important for your safety and comfort, but it's also your legal right as a tenant.